Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I am going to review a skincare product. I will be reviewing Minimalist's Alpha Arbutin 2% plus Hyaluronic Acid 1% serum. I have been trying this serum for over a month now and I have just a little bit left in the bottle. So I apply it day and night every day. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I also bought their AHA, PHA and BHA weekend exfoliating facial, and I have tried this too for a month now, but to be honest I don't have my final review ready for this product. I still need to try it a couple of more times maybe, and then I will post a different review for this one. But today I am just going to review their Alpha Arbutin 2% and Hyaluronic Acid 1% serum because I have my final review ready on this product. Before we move forward, I want to say that I am not a dermatologist or a skin specialist. I am just a normal girl who likes a little bit extra skincare, and whatever knowledge I am going to share in this video, it's either from the internet or different YouTubers, for example Hiram or James Welch or Cassandra Bankson. So yes, I just got all of this knowledge from there, or probably the internet, Google. Before moving forward, I also want to let you guys know that my skin type is very dry right now. In winters, my skin is just all over dry and it's very dry. And my main concern is the hyperpigmentation around my mouth, which is not visible right now, I know, because I have a little bit of makeup on, and also a little bit of dark spots here and there that I get from random breakouts. This video also has a before and after, and there are also some timestamps in the description that can be helpful, so please check them out. First of all, I want to talk about the brand a bit. This is a new brand in the Indian market, Minimalist. They also have an Instagram page called Be Minimalist, but on the packaging the brand name is mentioned as just Minimalist. The brand claims to offer no-nonsense, hardworking, active-based products that do what they are supposed to do. They are also trying to bring a revolution called transparency in the skincare market in India, and honestly that is important. We need to educate ourselves. We need to know what we are applying on a face. Not everything about every ingredient, but we need to have at least a basic idea. So I really like that they are trying to spread this message, because I have seen a lot of people using anything and everything that is labeled as natural. Now I know that the packaging when they initially launched looked like The Ordinary, and also a lot of people have compared this brand to The Ordinary, but I'm not gonna do that in today's video. Honestly, I can't, because I have not tried any of The Ordinary's products. When the brand launched, there was a little bit of controversy regarding the packaging, I think, and you have to do your own research if you want to know a bit more about the controversy, because we don't talk tea over here. It's a drama-free channel basically. The brand Minimalist also makes 6 clean beauty promises, which is no fragrance, no silicones, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes, and no sulfates. So this product has got 2% alpha arbutin and 1% hyaluronic acid. By the way, this serum retails for rupees 549 for 30 ml of product, and this according to me is very affordable, and you get this in a glass bottle. It's a frosted glass bottle and it has got a pipette inside to discharge the product. The consistency of this product is not too thick, it's not too thin, it's definitely a bit more to the liquidy side. Once you start working it into your skin, you will feel that it's nice and thin and it gets absorbed in almost 10 seconds. So alpha arbutin basically helps in inhibiting melanin production. I know that it's a very basic definition, but I don't want you guys to take it as a skin whitening agent or something that will whiten your skin or your complexion, because that is not what this ingredient does. It's something that fades hyperpigmentation, dark spots, by inhibiting an enzyme called tyrosinase, which catalyzes the production of melanin. I know it's a little bit of science, but it's high time that we learn about the ingredients that we are packing on our face instead of blindly packing anything and everything on our face. This way you will know what your skin needs and you will spend your money on the right products. Now alpha arbutin is a more stable form of arbutin, which means it can be used on different skin types and on different skin tones. It has more stability than beta arbutin. It's also one of the safest ingredients for all skin tones to lighten hyperpigmentation or dark spots. You can expect even skin tone, reduced hyperpigmentation and dark spots by incorporating this ingredient in your day-to-day skincare routine. Another great thing about alpha arbutin is, and I personally like this so much, is that you can pair it up with vitamin C. Now vitamin C fights free radical damage and it also helps in cellular regeneration. So basically if you combine these two ingredients, that is alpha arbutin and vitamin C, you will see that they will work phenomenally in fading hyperpigmentation or dark spots. And that's what I have been doing recently with my skincare routine. I just combine this serum with vitamin C at night. Before we move forward, I also want to let you guys know that this also has got 1% hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid is a humectant because of its ability to draw and hold water. So basically if you have a dry skin, this is a really good ingredient for you. Once we have talked about the main ingredients, now let's turn the bottle and go to the ingredient list of this product. It's mentioned on the packaging that the product is made using aloe juice instead of water, which is a really good thing because aloe juice is very hydrating in nature. Now next on the ingredient list we have a solvent which is DMI, and then we have alpha arbutin, which we already talked about. Next we have sodium hyaluronate, which is the sodium salt of hyaluronic acid, so it's basically hyaluronic acid. Now what I can see is that the last second ingredient on the list is lactic acid. It is another great ingredient for treating hyperpigmentation and dark spots because it exfoliates your skin but in a very gentle way. Now I'm not a dermatologist, but honestly when I see it from a normal person's view, I'm liking all the ingredients that I see over here. I take 2 to 3 drops on my palm and then I just spread it all over my face, massage it in. I will not recommend dripping it all over your face and then blending or massaging it in, because first of all that process just gives me anxiety when people are like, and the product is flowing, I'm like, it's gonna drop. Alright, and the second thing is that you are gonna apply a lot of product. You don't need that much. It's mentioned on the bottle like 2 to 3 drops, so maximum you're gonna need is 4 drops or 5 drops maybe if you have a big face. So if you're gonna drip it all over your face, you'll probably use a lot more than what's needed and it'll exhaust the product. So first I'll just go ahead and cleanse my face, and I skip a toner because I just feel that my skin doesn't need a toner these days. And then I'll apply the serum, and then I'll apply a moisturizer, and then ultimately I'll just seal it all off with a sunscreen. That's my daytime routine. Now for nighttime, I just wash my face again and then I apply the serum again, and then I apply the Mamaearth vitamin C face cream. I think I don't like that product a lot. I'm trying to exhaust it and use it up. That's just it. That's why I use it. Sometimes instead of the face cream, I'll use the Mamaearth vitamin C sleeping mask. Again, I don't like that product a lot, but I'm just trying to exhaust it. But the combination of alpha arbutin and vitamin C, I think it's working for me, and the products I think are working for me because I'm gonna throw before and after and you'll see the result. I feel if I use this serum for about 3 months, it's gonna give me nice visible results. A few things that I want you guys to definitely know if you are thinking of buying the product or if you are using the product. Number one, you have to wear a sunscreen if you are using it during the daytime. You can't skip the sunscreen. It's very important, otherwise this product will do more harm than good. So you have to keep that in mind, and please wear a sunscreen. Even if you have to stay indoors, just wear a sunscreen. Number two is patch test, which I should have mentioned in the beginning of this video, but my crazy mind. So yes, a patch test is very necessary. Even if you have normal skin type, you need to do a patch test before applying it all over your face. So you can do a patch test in this area over here, left side, right side, whichever side you want, and you have to leave this product on for 24 hours and see for any allergies or any rashes in that area. If there are no rashes or any redness or any that sort of thing, any abnormal thing happening in that part of the skin, you can go ahead and apply it all over your face. Next, if you have a certain skin condition that requires a doctor's attention, I'd say don't use this product. Use a product that your doctor recommends. Next, let's get to my experience, and the first thing that I want to say is this serum just disappears into your skin right after applying. Like, you have to wait for 10 seconds, especially if you have dry skin. It's gonna disappear into your skin. You will feel that you have applied nothing on your skin. That's how it feels, and that's a good thing because then it's suitable for oily skin too. Especially if you have very oily skin, it's suitable for you too. Something that I want to mention over here is that I was expecting my skin to look very plump after applying this serum, but it was not the case. I was expecting it because it has hyaluronic acid, so I was expecting that it will plump up my skin. It gives me a nice glow. I'd not say that it doesn't give a glow to your skin. My skin glows right after applying this serum, but the thing is that I don't feel my skin to be very plump. As far as the hyperpigmentation is concerned, I am satisfied with the result. I'm not very happy, or the results are not very surprising. To be honest, I was expecting that when I'll apply this serum daily for a month, I am going to see nice visible results, but now I feel that I have to at least wait for 3 months to see visible results. At least the product is working, and for this price, it's working phenomenally. So now I'm going to throw the before and after on the screen, and you can see that there is a slight change in my hyperpigmentation and a few dark spots that I had here and there. There is not a big difference or not a clearly visible difference. There is a little bit of difference. It has lightened up my hyperpigmentation a bit, and to be honest, I am satisfied with the results, and I think that this product definitely has the potential to lighten hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone, but you have to give it some time. And I can say that this product can be used by a lot of skin types: oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, even sensitive skin. But make sure that you do a patch test regardless of what skin type you have. Even normal skin, you have to do a patch test. Another thing that I forgot mentioning, you guys, is that this brand is cruelty free, and you need to finish the product in a period of 6 months from unboxing. That is there on the box, that once you open the product, you have to finish it within 6 months. Another thing that I feel you guys should know is that the alpha arbutin used in this product is not manufactured in India. It's imported from Netherlands. So if you have problems like hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark spots, this can be a really good product to incorporate in your skincare routine. Basically, this is a really gentle product that can work on different skin types, and it can deliver results. It's just that you have to be a little bit patient with this. It's not going to deliver results in a week, even 2 weeks. So at least give 3 months to this product. And that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.